Good morning. Have you ever woken up and found out you didn't have enough creamer? Well, I'm going to show you how to make your own today. Today we're using half and half, and we're using condensed milk. So I found this somewhere on social media. I don't recall where. And what they said to do was to take and use equal portions of condensed milk to heavy cream. So I'm going to take and I'm going to pour my condensed milk into this bowl, and then I'm going to take and measure out the same amount of heavy cream. The recipe that I saw calls for vanilla, but my personal self, I'm going to try it without the vanilla because I just like plain old milk flavor in mine. But I'm sure that you can doctor these up any way you want if you have those coffee shot flavors. I'm sure you could add that to it also. So this is empty. Now I'm going to take this container and I'm going to be putting the same amount of milk in there. There we go. I've been waiting to try this because this is done and I was just waiting. All right, so I'm going to pour in the same amount of heavy cream as I did of condensed milk. And I have a nice pot of coffee already brewed on the side. And instead of using this to stir, I'm going to just use a whisk because the condensed milk is a little on the thick side. So I just want to make sure that I get it well incorporated quickly. I figured, why not try? I can't wait to try this. Especially since you can control the amount of sugar you put in it. Because I find that these extra creamers, to me, they're a little too sweet. I think we got this going. Looking good so far. Let me throw this in here, that in there, and I'm going to take and reuse my container. So I'll just unscrew the cap. Oh, and P.S. I don't know if you guys are aware, but when you get these brand new, you take the top and you press down and you open the foil. All right, so I'm going to get a funnel and I'm going to carefully pour in here. This creamer. That wasn't bad at all. Take all these dirty things out of the way, get my coffee. Let's close this. I'm going to shake it up just to make sure it's properly incorporated. And here we go. Let's do a taste test. Get a spoon to stir in our creamer. And we will try this because I haven't tried it yet. And I'll tell you if I like it. Alrighty. Here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is it. This is it forever now. This is it. I will be using half and half from now on. Carnation, well, not carnation, evaporated milk. This is going to be my go-to, and I did notice it's a little on the sweeter side, so I might add some more of this to it just to dilute the sweetness. But guys, this is it. I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. You try it at home and let me know what you think in the comments. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get my latest videos when they come out. Thank you for watching.